Hey, what's up everybody? This is Johnface Moto coming at you with the updated video for the DeWalt $10 work knife. This is a folding knife. If you've seen my other video on this, I gave you a comprehensive review as far as the build of the knife. This is a 1-year check-in after daily use in a construction environment. It's held up excellent, surprisingly well. Little bit of wear and tear, normal wear and tear. It's still got no issues with any functionality. Clip's still very tight. Little bit of wear here and there, nothing, no big deal. The blade has been sharpened over a few times, tuned up a couple times here and there, but overall it maintains a pretty good edge. Zero blade play. It's tight, and everything can be tightened up with easy fasteners and can be taken apart and put back together. I've yet to do it because it's not necessary. There's no wiggle in that blade at all. It operates nice. The liner lock still holds very well. It's overall an excellent knife. For the price, you can't beat it. It's a good beater knife, and it takes the abuse and keeps on going. Just wanted to give an update video on this. If you haven't already, go back and check out the first video from a year ago. You can see that the DeWalt lettering here wore off, but everything else is still working great, so still gets a thumbs up from me. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, check out the other videos, comment, give a like, and share with someone that might be interested in this. I hope everybody's doing okay during the corona outbreak, and I'm going to still be putting out videos now that I got more time on my hands. So everybody, wish you well, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.